The German Grille medical evacuation drone, a heavy-lift, unmanned system designed to extract wounded soldiers from the battlefield. Developed by German company Avalus, the Grille is a large, multi-rotor VTOL drone capable of carrying one casualty on a stretcher platform while flying autonomously or under remote control. It features redundant rotors for safety, medical monitoring integration, and the ability to operate in contested areas where manned helicopters would be too vulnerable. The strength is rapid casualty extraction without risking additional personnel or aircraft. The current limitation is payload capacity and flight time, but it is designed for tactical medical evacuation missions out to 50 kilometers. The Grille has been in development and testing since 2023, with successful demonstration flights in 2025. It is most known for its role in Bundeswehr trials for next-generation medical evacuation in high-threat environments. The Grille can hover precisely for loading and unloading casualties, integrate real-time vital signs monitoring during flight, operate in GPS-denied environments, and land autonomously on unprepared terrain while maintaining stability in windy conditions. Check my link in bio for more educational content on military technology. Vet Miltech, daily from the drop zone.